Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small shop vac reviews that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Black Plus Decker Shop Vacuum Wet and Dry BDXV1801P1H. This compact and lightweight 1-gallon shop vac is perfect for small-scale cleaning tasks around the house, garage, or workshop. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, it's easy to carry, and its wall-mountable design ensures convenient storage. With a 1.5 peak HP motor providing 60 CFM airflow, it handles both wet and dry messes efficiently. Plus, the polymer tank is durable and features a storage space alert that prevents overloading, extending the vacuum's service life. In terms of design, this vacuum is sleek and functional. The built-in accessory holder on the lid keeps attachments organized, while the hose wraps neatly around the handle for compact storage. It comes with essential accessories like a crevice nozzle, gulper nozzle, foam filter, and reusable cloth filter, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. However, with a 10-foot cleaning range, 6-foot cord, and 4-foot hose, it may fall short for larger spaces. Performance-wise, it excels at tackling household messes, but isn't designed for heavy-duty tasks. Its small tank capacity and lower suction power, compared to other models on this list, make it better suited for light cleaning jobs. While the Black Plus Decker Shop Vac is a budget-friendly option, its limited power and capacity might not satisfy users looking for a more robust solution. Pros include its portability, durability, and thoughtful design, while cons include limited reach and power. At rank number 4, we have the Armor All AA155 1.5-gallon portable wet-dry vacuum. This budget-friendly option is perfect for cleaning small messes at home or on the go. Equipped with a 2-peak HP motor, it delivers decent suction power for its size, handling both wet and dry debris with ease. It also doubles as a blower, allowing you to clear away leaves or other lightweight debris. The tough polypropylene tank is built to last, and its compact design makes it easy to carry with the balanced top handle. The AA155 includes 6 accessories, such as a crevice tool and utility nozzle, which can be stored on the power head for easy access. The 6-foot cord and 4-foot hose give you a bit more reach, but it's still limited compared to larger models. At just 4.6 pounds, it is highly portable, making it ideal for quick cleanups in your car, garage, or workshop. However, with a noise level of 80 dB, it's louder than some other options on this list, which may be a downside for noise-sensitive users. Overall, this vacuum is an affordable option for tackling light messes efficiently. While it lacks the power and capacity for heavy-duty tasks, its compact size and dual functionality as a blower make it a versatile choice for budget-conscious consumers. Pros include its lightweight design, blower capability, and durability. While cons are the limited reach, smaller tank capacity, and higher noise level. At rank number 3, we have the VacMaster VOM205P1101, a 2.5-gallon wall-mountable wet-dry vacuum that's perfect for saving floor space while offering strong suction power. Featuring a 2-peak HP motor with 100 air watts, This vacuum is designed for on-the-go cleaning, handling both wet and dry messes effectively. With a lightweight design of just 6 pounds and a balanced top handle, it's easy to carry around. Though its wall-mounted storage frees up valuable space in your garage or workshop, the Vacmaster comes with 6 accessories, including a crevice tool for tight spaces, and offers onboard storage for hoses and attachments. With a combined 14-foot cleaning reach, hose and power cord, you get extended usability compared to smaller models. Its dust-sealed on-off switch ensures durability, and the vacuum easily converts into a blower for added versatility. However, with a noise level of 65 decibel, it's quieter than most options on this list, which is a bonus. While the Vacmaster stands out for its compact and practical design, it may not be ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks due to its relatively modest suction power. It's a great option for homeowners who want a versatile, space-saving vacuum for small messes. Pros include quiet operation, extended cleaning reach, and wall-mountable storage, while cons are its limited power for tougher jobs and slightly higher price compared to similar models. Coming in at rank number 2 is the Craftsman CMX EVBE 1750, a 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum that delivers impressive portability and versatility. Powered by a 2.5 peak HP motor, this vacuum is ideal for tackling small messes around your home, garage, or car. One standout feature is its 2-in-1 capability, allowing it to function both as a vacuum and a blower. Its compact design includes a carry handle and cord wrap feature, making storage and transport hassle-free. The CMX EVBE 1750 includes a 5-foot friction-fit hose, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and filter bag, providing all the accessories you need for versatile cleaning. Its 69 dB noise level makes it quieter than many competitors, which is a plus for extended use. At 6.7 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and the 1/2-inch accessories are designed to navigate tight spaces efficiently. The vacuum also comes with a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind for long-term use. While the Craftsman offers excellent performance and versatility, its slightly higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, the combination of quality build, portability, and blower functionality makes it well worth the investment for those looking for a reliable mid-range shop vac. Pros include its quiet operation, dual functionality, and generous warranty, while cons include its relatively short hose length and higher price compared to lower-tier models. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Shop Vac 933511, which stands out as the premium option in this lineup. With a 2.5 peak HP motor and a 2.5-gallon capacity, this wet-dry vacuum is designed for all-purpose work, making it ideal for job sites, garages, cars, and workshops. Its lightweight and portable design, combined with a wall-mounted storage option, ensures convenience and efficiency for users who need a reliable cleaning companion. Performance-wise, the Shop Vac 933511 delivers solid suction power with 60 CFM airflow and 53 inches of sealed pressure, making it suitable for both wet and dry pickups. The 12-foot power cord and 4-foot hose provide ample reach for most tasks, and the included accessories, such as a filter bag, foam cage filter, utility nozzle, and crevice tool, add versatility. Onboard tool storage keeps everything organized, while the robust construction ensures durability for long-term use. Although it's the most expensive option on this list, at $52.79, the Shop Vac 933511 justifies its price with its excellent build quality, powerful performance, and thoughtful features like wall mounting. Ideal for users who need a high-performing vacuum for frequent use, this model is the ultimate choice for versatility and reliability. Pros include its powerful suction, extensive reach, and comprehensive accessory kit, while cons are its slightly heavier weight and higher cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.